Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks Garage. These videos are going to be videos that I am revamping from some of my older videos. A couple reasons for that. YouTube is not paying all that great right now, and I've been told I talk way too much and I get a lot of blah 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 comments. So therefore I'm kind of trying to cut some of this stuff out. So if you need any more information on what you're about to see and you feel like something got missed, please go find the longer version of these videos. Thanks for watching. I'm going to take my battery out because it's pretty caked down there on the battery tray down there. So I started pulling that out, and it didn't matter what direction I turned this thing, left, right, up, down, sideways. I could not get this thing out past this box here. And what it is there's this box here, and it has the fuse box in it right here. Well, there's a 10 millimeter bolt that goes in right here. You pull that out, kind of set that to the side, and then there's two more 10 millimeters that hold it up to the firewall here. You can grab your battery and pull it on out of here. Much easier than trying to wrestle it out. There's a bolt right there, right here, that you pull out. And then back in this corner there, you got to go up from underneath the wheel well, or the front part of the wheel well here. And there's one up above. There is one right there you can see pulled out. There's also another one right there towards the front that needs pulled out. Once you get this all out of the way here, I took a pair of water pump pliers, squeeze. There's a metal clip right here, and I squeezed that together, kind of pried up on it, and then got this down up underneath here and pried up a little bit more, and that popped right out of there. I got this up out of the way here, and as you can see, here's the computer box here. I pulled that metal clip out, and that just pops right out. Pops right out of this hole right here. Now that should come out. Yet again, can't do it with one hand, but it's all loose, should come out. Not gonna lie to you, that thing was kind of a pain in the butt, but just got to kind of move a wire loom here and a wire loom there, and kind of push and pull carefully so you don't break anything. Don't want to mess up that computer, especially down there. You'd be really screwed. I just took a wire wheel to it, got all the crap off of it, and recoated it with the rubberized undercoating. This is a product, yet again, I'm not paid by anybody, but I do use it and I do like it. It seems to work pretty well for me, even when I just kind of throw it on top of a bunch of rusty metal. I did my tractor seat in this, and some of the rust is poking through again, but really when you just scrape it off and paint over it, you can't expect it not to come back at some point. I know there are some products out there that say that they will do that, but I haven't found one or used one yet, and I'm sure there is something out there that's better than this. But this looks better than it did. It should last longer than it would have, and I can throw it back in now and get my job done. Well, get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.